The story name is Sita the Parrot. Once upon a time there lived a parrot named Sita. She lived in a forest. In the forest there was many games. One day she got a message. It says that she is going to participate in the competition. There was many options. She saw that there is running, jumping and flying and many more. She chose flying. She thought she will lose. She said, never mind, let's start practicing. And she started to practice. Then it is that one day before the competition, she practiced very well. Then next morning came. Then she was ready for the competition. Then she was flying in the competition. Do you know who's the winner? Yes, you are right. Sita won the competition. Everyone clapped for her. The moral of the story is we have to think we will win. Winning is not important. Participation is important. Thank you. Bye.